You're welcome to the Forex Trading and Lifestyle Entrepreneurship channel. Do take a minute to pause this video and read this disclaimer. Hi, it's Victor here from foreshortmarkets.com. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add or remove currency pairs or assets from the Metatrader4 platform, and we'll be doing that for example of the Metatrader4 on your PC. Okay, so Metatrader4 is the platform of choice used by millions or most forex traders online, and so as a trader, you want to know how to navigate and use the tools on the Metatrader4 effectively and with speed and efficiency. Okay, so all about addition and removal of assets and instruments is done on a window called Market Watch. Okay, so come with me to my Metatrader4 platform. Okay, if you look to the left, right, that's to the left of my own screen, probably to your own right, you will see the Metatrader4 this is called the Market Watch window. Okay, and so this is where you would do all your addition and removal of currency pairs or assets that you are interested in trading. Okay, and some students usually ask me, why is a particular pair, probably example pound dollar, why can't I see pound dollar on my Metatrader4? Why can't I see dollar yen, or why can't I see gold, or why can't I see Dow Jones or Nasdaq on my Metatrader4? You know, and I let them understand that whatever it is that you cannot find on your Metatrader4, okay, you need to add it manually. Okay, so all addition is done from this window called the Market Watch window. Here, the Market Watch window is where you see all the assets tradable, all the currency pairs and assets tradable on your Metatrader4, and the prices. Okay, you can see the prices here, the bid, the ask, and the spread. Okay, now sometimes new traders, new Metatrader4 users get stuck. Example, if they mistakenly close the Market Watch window, okay, they are unable to find this window and it becomes a problem. Okay, so to bring back that window, simply come here under the main menu, click on view, right, click on view, then come down here, click on Market Watch. Okay, the most important thing for you right now is to understand that that window is called Market Watch. Okay, so wherever you see Market Watch like this, you just click Market Watch and it brings it back. You can also use the shortcut by clicking Ctrl M. Hold Ctrl on your PC and then tap M. You see it disappears. To bring it back, hold Ctrl again and tap M. It brings it back. As simple as ABC. Now, so how do you add currency pairs? Alright, so for you to add a currency pair, you simply right click anywhere on the Market Watch window, anywhere at all. You see, I can right click here, it shows that. Then come down to symbols. Okay, click on symbols. The shortcut for that is also Ctrl U. So I've clicked on symbols. This is what you will see. Okay, most times you will see everything collapsed like this. Okay, the shortcut for that is Ctrl U. So let's do example. I hold Ctrl, then tap U. Okay, that goes away. No, let me close this. Then so hold Ctrl U. You can see it brings it. Hold Ctrl again, U. Okay, Ctrl U is supposed to take that. It doesn't take it away, but it brings it up. So Ctrl U brings it up, or you right click anywhere here, then click on symbols. I prefer that option because you might not remember all the shortcuts all the time. Okay, so now we are here, right? So the symbols window is divided into different asset classes. All right, so here you can see the class called FX Major. Why I call them asset classes, you will understand, because if you click the plus sign beside this, you can see that there are a lot of currency pairs under that. And if you click the minus sign, again here by the left of the FX majors, it collapses all. So each of these are separate asset classes. Okay, you have the FX majors. This is showing you all the major currency pairs. You have the FX minor showing you all the minor currency pairs. Exotics showing you all the exotic currency pairs. Spot metal shows you all the metals, example gold and silver, that is available for trading. And then which other one? You have indices, right? Shows you all the stock indices available, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, and all of that. And then commodities, most popular we have here is crude oil and natural gas. Okay, so for you to add any currency pair or asset class, you need to have an idea of where it is located or where it is classified. If you do not know where it is classified, then you need to check one after the other. Scroll through all of them one after the other. Scroll through one after the other to find what you are looking for. Okay, so today we are going to use examples to add and how to add and how to remove. We're going to use USDMXN, which is USD versus US dollar versus Mexican peso, and we'll use gold. Okay, so for the first example, let us add USD Mexican peso and let us add gold. Okay, so to add USD MXN, if you don't know, USD MXN is under exotic pairs. Now, if you don't know that it's under exotic, all you need to do is just simply check and scroll through all the classes one by one until you find it. So by the time you use this for 1 week, 2 weeks, you know exactly where all the assets are classified as. So I go to exotic, right? To collapse this, just click the minus. So go to exotic, then you can see here how I'm scrolling down. Hold this and drag it up and down. Left click, then drag your mouse up or down. Okay, so now you can see I've located USD MXN. Now, if you notice, USD MXN is not showing on my market watch. So I want to make it show now. So right click, symbols, open exotics, scroll down to USD MXN. So now, once you see USD MXN, click on it once. Now, when you click on it, you can see that it is highlighted blue. Once it's blue, you know that it's highlighted. Now, the next thing you simply need to do is you can see the dollar sign here is gray. The moment you click, so for you to make it show, just click show, click on show, and immediately you do that, you can see that the dollar sign beside USD MXN is active. That simply means USD MXN is now showing on the market watch window, and it is available for you to trade, for you to buy and sell. Okay, next example, so I can close this now. So next example is gold. We want to add gold. So gold, naturally we know that gold is under metals, right? So I come to metals here, click the plus sign beside spot metals, right? So we are looking to trade gold is XAU. We're looking to trade gold versus the dollar. So we are looking for XAUUSD under spot gold, and we find it here. So scroll down, locate it. Once you locate it, click on it, it will highlight it blue. The moment it highlights, this button here will become active. Okay, so when you don't highlight anything, this button doesn't become active. Now we have selected this, so now you can click on show, and immediately you can see that the dollar sign beside gold here lights up to golden color. That simply lets you know that gold versus dollar is now visible on the market watch window, and it is now available for you to buy and sell. All right, so now you can add as many currency pairs as you want here, right? And you can also remove. If you want to remove, I'll show you another way to do that. If you want to remove, you can quickly come here and just click on hide. Okay, so but let's leave that for now. So same thing for USD MXN. I can click on this, click on hide. It will disappear from the market watch. That is one way to remove currency pairs. Okay, but take note that for you to remove a currency pair, it must not have an open chart, and I will explain that later. So let's leave here and go and confirm that USD MXN and gold is visible on our chart. Okay, so when you add a new asset or currency pair, you always find it at the bottom of the previous ones. So you can see USDMXN here and XAUUSD here. Now you can trade it, you can buy and sell. Okay, so I've shown you how to add your asset class. Now to remove an asset class, I've showed you already one way. Here's the fastest way to remove your asset class. Simply come here, right click on it, right click, and then just come look at the menu options here, click on hide. Immediately you do that, XAUUSD has disappeared. So let's do the same thing for USDMXN. Right click on it, click on hide. Immediately you do that, USDMXN has disappeared. It's no longer available on the market watch. So what you leave on the market watch is currencies that you know that, or assets that you know that you trade regularly. If you don't trade them regularly, you don't need to leave them there. All right, now one thing you need to note about removing currencies and asset classes: I trade 28 major currency pairs, and that is what you have, what you can see here. For you to remove any asset class, the chart, so I have 28 charts lined up here below here. Okay, for you to remove any asset class, the chart must be closed. Okay, the chart must be closed. So let's look, let me try to remove euro dollar here, and you see, right click on it, click on hide. You can see it doesn't disappear. Why? The rule for MetaTrader4 is that you cannot close, you cannot remove asset or currency pairs from the market window if it has an open chart. Okay, so I have an open chart for 28 currency pairs, so I can't remove any of this from the market watch until I close the chart. All right, so that is simply how you add and remove currency pairs or assets from the MetaTrader4 window. Specifically, you do all that from the market watch. All right, so I hope I've been able to teach you something new on MetaTrader today. Subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and click also the bell beside the subscribe button so you can get more videos on MetaTrader4 and how to make money trading forex, from the forex business in general. Okay, if you like the video, also give us a thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up button below this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.